How to add Instagram link to Facebook. If you're wondering how to add Instagram link to Facebook, well, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is go ahead and open your Facebook. So go ahead and click on your profile, which you can do by pressing this icon right here. So once you're on your profile, go ahead and scroll down and press edit public details right here. So if you scroll down, you'll see where it says links. So go ahead and press add. So we're trying to add a social link, so you can make this only me or public, whatever you want. So for now, I'm going to leave it only me. So press on add social link. Go ahead and choose the platform. And as we're trying to add our Instagram link, go ahead and tap on Instagram and type in your username. So I'm just going to type mine right here. And once you do that, you can press save at the very top right here. If you go back and if you see your about info, if you scroll down, you'll see the Instagram link right here. So that is it. That is how to add Instagram link to Facebook.